No, and I had a great time. You know, it's a great place, and such enthusiasts who run it. So you know, every time Mike or Raiko invite me, I don't even think twice. You know, because I'll be available. Well, you know, I made short films before documentaries, and they were a bit kind of lifeless and underpowered. You know, very kind of pretentious. And documentaries were kind of lesson in observing the world as it is, you know, just feeding off the energies out there, finding amazing characters, stories, and that gave me great kind of energy and the desire to communicate with an audience as well. But I treated documentaries like fiction in some way, you know. I looked at the world and I didn't just want to record it, you know. They weren't exactly records, or they weren't like verite films, you know. They were more constructed and they, you know, they were well, they were like films are supposed to be, you know. Then the ones that worked anyway. I mean, some bad ones too. So less said the better. But also they kind of gave me a feeling of kind of a passion for authenticity, you know, kind of just enjoying something that doesn't feel engineered, where you don't feel the intentions, you know. A lot of films which are kind of heavily scripted, you all the time feel, you know, the mechanics of it, and I like things to emerge miraculously, as if given by God, and not engineered by humans. So, you know, if you can achieve that sort of thing in feature films, great. Of course, it's quite difficult because feature films rely on plot, you know, on narration, and that can be a very technical exercise. And now I'm writing I've written a couple of films. In fact, I've shot a film which I haven't finished yet for family reasons, called The Restraint of Beasts. And now I'm sort of working on a film about the young Stalin, you know, a film I'm going to be shooting in Georgia, about the early days of Stalin, before he became Stalin. So that could be fun.